quick room tour of the Movenpick, Accra, Ghana. When you come in, you have to put your card in the door. I've already been here, so just a quick tour. When you come in, you have the closet, which all my items are in there. You got closet space. There's also an ironing board. You have, they give you free bottled water. There's the coffee pot. Of course, you get the tea, all that good stuff. Once again, I've been here for a day. So you have the, excuse me, your glasses. There's a little mini fridge, which they do stock. You can pay for the items, but they give you free bottled water. Once again, there's a pretty spacious closet there. I don't need to show you all my junk. You got 2 drawers there. This is the washroom. They give you a robe and slippers. Same one washroom, you've seen them all, just a quick tour. They have the, sorry, I didn't want you to see me. The products, they give you the soap, hand wash, towels, get a dryer. They also have a scale, so if you need to weigh your luggage or yourself. Like I say, you have the rain shower, rainfall shower, glass door. It's pretty spacious. See, I have some of my crap around. So, I like the floor, wood floor. There's a big mirror here at the door. You go inside the room. Pardon my junk. Like I said, I've been here for a day already. There's a TV, a little more space. Have a desk and chair, glass table. There's a king bed. You have the nightstands on each side of the bed. The telephone. Oh, I forgot, there's also a phone in the washroom. And this is the window. Not a special view, but yeah, pretty spacious room. Once again, that is the tour of the Deluxe room at the Movenpick or Movenpick, Accra, Ghana. And that concludes the tour. There's a phone in case I missed it. Bye-bye.